How do you get to work? Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus. How about you?
I usually ride my bicycle.
Really? Do you ride every day?
Yes, I do. Unless it rains.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I enjoy riding my bike in the morning.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That's pretty fast.
Yes, my office is not very far from my home.
How far is your office?
It's about 6 kilometers away.
That's a good distance for cycling.
Yes. What about you? How long does the bus take?
Usually about 45 minutes.
That's a little longer.
Yes, especially when there is a lot of traffic.
Do you have to wait long for the bus?
Not usually. There is a bus stop near my house.
How often does the bus come?
It comes about every 15 minutes.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is. What time do you leave home?
I usually leave at 7:30.
And what time do you arrive at work?
Around 8 o'clock.
That's a good schedule.
What time do you leave home?
I leave around 7:15.
Why do you leave earlier than me?
Because the morning traffic can be heavy.
I see. Do you drive sometimes?
Yes, I drive when I have an early meeting.
Is driving faster than taking the bus?
Sometimes, but not always.
Why not?
Because there can be a lot of traffic.
That's true. Traffic can be terrible in the morning.
Exactly. Sometimes I spend an hour on the road.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, but I listen to music while I drive.
Do you listen to music on the bus too?
Sometimes I also listen to English podcasts.
That's a great way to practice English.
Yes, I learn new words every day.
Do you ever walk to work?
No, it's too far from my house.
I sometimes walk home after work.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, especially when the weather is nice.
I think walking is a good way to relax.
I agree. How do you usually get home?
I usually take the bus home.
Maybe I should try taking the bus sometime.
You should. It's easy and convenient.
Thanks for telling me about your commute.
You're welcome. Have a great day at work.
You too. See you later.
See ya.